This artist grew from strength to strength every time we sit down with her. Matter of fact, it's kind of like family. What going, Chrissy? Corona Hill, Corona Hill. First of all, Chrissy, 3 words to describe 2020 so far.
Disastrous, contagious, Corona.
All right, give me even 1 word to describe before that part right there.
It was blessing, successful, refreshing.
You have a new single where I get some play now, and tell us a little bit more about it.
The single is called Still, produced by Warrior Music, Damien Gale, which is my manager right now. And it'll go on.
Journey been like so far?
It has its ups and downs, and you just have to accept, learn to. The more you learn to accept, is the more you get past certain things. You understand? So you're learning lessons, upon top of lessons, upon top of lessons. So it just develop you not to make as many mistakes as you would in the younger stage.
How did you link up with Warrior Productions?
Why I tell you a long story that 3 years that now, but I went to a video shoot with my friend. She was promoting some girl as video vixen, and she asked me to go, and I went there as a video vixen as well. And the man said me look like rat. Cause my face small and my body slim and everything, and everybody have big bottom and big breasts, but me they have a face for the camera same way. And we met from then. I had a song playing that I just recorded, and I wasn't planning on doing bad music like that, knowing that the nursing thing in my life and all them something there. And him heard the song, and he was like excited and wanted to do something with the song, and he was like, "You're really talented" and stuff like that. And it just lead from coming here at Warrior Music Studio right now, so till my day as me and all these things.
Can you tell me why we gotta be so stressed?
Like I have songs like Tomorrow, which is on the States Rhythm by Busy Signal, of course. We do a lot of songs together too. We have certain collabs coming out soon with Busy Signal and other artists. We have a song with Version too, produced by Warrior Music, called Top Class.
Wow, so you have some top class collaboration.
Yeah. Real bad girl want a good one for moving at the night, yeah. Something like that. Check out Top Class with Version and me, of course. And what other songs were produced.
What was it like working with Busy Signal?
Really interesting. He's a very interesting guy, very complex, but you don't know. He's like, what you call it now, a mentor to me. So I learn enough things from him, so it's a blessing.
That's a good one. So when will that song be released?
This year, sooner. I was one of the Corona thing fly out still there was, but yeah. I'm more focusing on Still, which is my latest single right now.
You have a video out for the Still yet?
Not yet, we're working on that. That's the next plan, that's the next steps. we're working on that. We're planning that out. Correct.
So you also have an international collaboration working on art that you did as well too. Tell us a little bit more about that.
His name is Chimbala. He's mostly in the Spanish market. And you know them love dancehall and like the sound. The local Champa, sexy girl, them like them local sound there. We have a big collab we call In a Trouble or something like that. And we'll work on that too. Yeah. So we'll release it. I'm not tell you.
I mean, everybody's been affected by the whole coronavirus situation in one way or the other, but how has it affected you personally?
I can't make no money. Like really, I try anticipate for go fly well if Jamaica and make look money no more. But I can't make no money. It's harder for we young artists, you know. We would just come out and just try push out. You know. Remember the big artists them don't make for them money. Them can lay back down with corona, you know. But we still have to push. Like me, I don't have a 9 to 5. I'm dedicated to the music. So definitely I have to find things to keep me active and keep me going and pushing me more so people can till I reach the level end. So it affects enough people, I can't feed my picnic properly.
But we see what heap of artists are doing what things online now. You think about anything like that?
What them do? They might be themselves online and chat and video themselves. What them do online really?
We see all artists are doing online shows.
Online show. Well, me I have my online radio show, so look out for that very very soon. I'll be going live in couple of days coming. So yeah, so people can get to know me better and know what I'm doing during Corona then.
That I'm going to talk to us about some of the artists them that you've been doing a lot of collaborations. Is there anybody else that you'd like to collaborate with?
Definitely Chris Brown, my chest very high. I like Chris Brown music.
I gotta go Chris Brown. Chris Brown, if you're watching, give her a call.
Definitely Chris Brown internationally, and I would definitely like to work with the Mali them, definitely would like to work with Vibes Cartel. I'm already working with Mrs. Signal, of course, which is a pleasure and all these things exciting. But Vibes Cartel, what's his name? Jevalani. Yeah, I'll do a song with him, but
you like him style?
yeah, I like him look a swag, look at something there, I like Spice, look a bad girl thing, I'm kind of look at something there, but you don't know. Spice and Jada Kingdom so far.
Chrissy, lastly, I want you to tell me what most makes Chrissy intense.
Versatility, of course. I'm very versatile and melodious. Yeah.
Tell the people more to find you on social media.
Find me on Instagram at KRYSIE. That's Chrissy Music. On Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Make sure you get the spelling right. KRYSIE. Chrissy Music.
That's go on. Chrissy Music. Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Shot.